morning, dear students. Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start today our computer subject. So in computer subject on page number 1, today we are going to start lesson number 1. Okay, so lesson number 1 is versatile computer. Now what is mean of versatile? Versatile computer. Versatile means different use. Okay, there are different use of computer. So which are they? We will go through by this lesson. Okay, so first of all, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that help us to store and process data at a very high speed with accuracy. Okay, accuracy means perfect work, accurate work. Okay, so computer help us to make our work very fast and very easily. Okay, it works on the, now how computer works? It works on the principle. Okay, so which are the principle? Principle of IPO. What is full form of IPO? Cycle. Here in the bracket it is given. Input, processing, output. Input means you use keyboard. Processing CPU. Under CPU process goes on. Output, you get the result on the screen and you can take out result with the help of printer. Okay, keyboard, CPU and monitor. So these are the output. You can say that is IPO cycle, which means it receives data, that it takes, monitor takes, computer take data by the help of keyboard you input, acts upon it processing, process goes on under the CPU, that is the mind of computer. Okay, and CPU, full form of CPU is central processing unit, and produce means it gives out the result. Information or the result is known as output. Okay, received data is input and processing is means to you get the what you under process goes on. Okay, and you get the result as the form of produce in the output according to the given instructions. See, it is given according to the given instruction. If you give correct instruction, you get the correct result. Okay, so according to the given instruction, it can also store the results. Okay, now here are the few things regarding computer parts, that is the feature of a computer. Okay, so first of all, we see a picture is given in your textbook on page 1. Okay, so first of all, this is the monitor where you get the output result. Okay, keyboard, input device, with the help of keyboard you give the instruction, and this is the CPU, process goes on, and these are your speaker to hear your music. Okay, and this is the mouse. Okay, so these are the parts of, and main part is 1 2 3 4, and another part you can say you can add. This is here in picture it is given speakers. Okay, so now we will go the features of computer. So features of a computer, that is the speed. A computer can carry out instruction at a very high speed. The calculation that takes hours to be done by us can perform by a computer only in a few seconds. So speed of a computer is more than the human being. We take so much time to calculate. Okay, hours also sometimes happen, but computer makes our work very fast within the few seconds. And accuracy means accurate work. Computer gives a perfect answer. Okay, the degree of accuracy of a computer is very high. It gives accurate result if the data entered into it and the given instructions are correct. Okay, given instruction are correct, the error are due to incorrect data or instruction. You get correct result if the given instructions are correct, otherwise error will you can see if you give the incorrect data or instructions. Now versatility, the meaning of this, the multi-process feature of computer allow it to perform various tasks with easy. Okay, so in the form of versatility means you can do many work with the help of computer. Okay, so nowadays advanced technology is also there, and now technology also improved, so you can do so much work. Now storage also, we know you are in the 5th standard, so storage of the computer is also of a huge amount. Okay, a computer can store huge amount of data or instructions. The information can be retrieved whenever required. Okay, Computer can store your work also, and you can take out in the form of printer, or you can take in pen drive, okay, or in the hard disk. You can take the result whenever you want, okay. So that is the thing. And storage is known as the secondary storage device for a longer period of a time, okay. Now next one is diligency, okay. So diligency is a computer does not get tired, okay. Computer never gets tired. As much as work you do with the help of computer may helpful to you, okay. And reliability means output given by computer is reliable, since it only gives result if the input is complete and correct, okay. Now here we go through few the features of computer. Now we will see more about the computer. So that is given on the page number 2. Basic thing of our computer. So that already we did in the first class. What is the parts of a computer? Working of a computer depends mainly upon its two components, that is the hardware and software. The main components, hardware and software. Now what is hardware and what is software, okay. So first of all we will go through hardware. All the physical devices of a computer, see, physical device of a computer, that means you touch with the help of your body, okay, you use it, so it is known as physical device of a computer that we can see and touch, so it is known as physical device, are called hardware. On the basis of their functions, they are divided into different categories. So now the what is the meaning of hardware is clear from this okay para. Now we will go through different categories, okay. So how it is divided hardware, see, here is the device, okay, you use, and known as hardware, that is input device, okay. And input device, which are the input device? They are used to give input to a computer, and input device are mouse, keyboard and scanner, okay. Second one, processing unit. It is used to process the given input, so it is easy, CPU, full form central processing unit. Output devices, it gives the result of the work done by a computer, and that you see on the monitor, you can take out with the help of printer or a speaker. And another one is storage device, where your work is stored, and you can take your work stored with the help of pen drive, CD, ROM or DVD, okay, it's upon you. Now software, from the word you can take soft means you can't touch, it is so soft. So according to computer language, software means hardware cannot work on its own, it needs instruction to work. See, without software computer can't do any work, so in keyboard, mouse can nothing do, so software also needed. So these instructions are in the form of programs, okay. These programs are called software. So software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a specific task. Different type of software are used for different types of work, okay. And different type of works that we are divided in these two parts, that is the software system, and you can see here it is given, okay, two type of software, system software, application software, okay. Now hardware and software, and in software two parts, system software, application software. System, with the help of system computer work, application program, okay. So system software manages and control hardware, while application software perform a specific task, okay. So here it is clear. Now different applications of computer. What is application? We apply to computer different application. What are there? Computers are being used almost every day, okay. So in some areas it is used widely. So first of all, where computers are used, okay. So first of all, at your home, okay, at home when computer is with you, you can play games, listen music, okay, watch movies, type letter and store address and phone numbers, drawing and painting also you can do. And second thing, on page number 3, you can make birthday card, plan a budget, make expense sheets, and also you can search for your work with the help of internet. You can send mail your friends, okay, you can send email in abroad also, and gather information at the form of project. You can do your project word, you can make one project also what work you did, okay. So these all are, and you can also it is helpful to book a ticket also. So you will get a ticket at your home, okay, no need to go there. So you can purchase online with the help of computer. So till today we are going to do over here only on page number 3 till here. And here one question is there, answer me, write 2 computer etiquettes you follow at home while working on a computer, okay. So this answer I will send you in the form of PDF, okay. Thank you students, have a nice day.